So recently I've become a huge fan of the OLight flashlights, and I started purchasing some that I kind of like, and I'm doing a quick unboxing on the Oclip by OLight. It's the orange. I'm a big fan of orange, so it comes in this small box. It's a small flashlight. Let's do a quick unboxing. So I finally got the light out of the box. It's pretty small, and here are the specs. There's a few different options. It's 300 lumen. It can last between a minute to 60 minutes, and of course if the power is reduced, it can last a little bit longer. To the light. So it's tiny little thing, has a little heft to it. And this is the box. It says read me first. I believe they have to be charged before they can use for the first time. Charging cable, USB-C to USB. And let's open this tiny little thing. Smaller than I really thought looking at pictures. Here's the clip, and it's also a magnet on the back.